Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool strip diagram, focusing on equal groups with a problem related to TEKS 5.3b, and we'll solve it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a printer that is going to be printing 416 pages a minute. How many pages can we print in 74 minutes? Seems like a pretty simple problem, but we need to figure out what type of problem it is. And there's only two numbers we're dealing with here, 416, 74. But it makes me think that we might be dealing with an equal groups problem simply because of this right here, per. So when we see a per minute, that means we're dealing with a rate. When we're dealing with a rate, right, 416 pages every single minute, that means we're dealing with equal groups. So when we're reading word problems, we want to be looking for phrases or terms that make us think it might be a certain type of problem. And in this case, this looks like an equal groups problem because it's giving us an equal groups term per minute. So equal groups problems have four different things. They've got one, something that identifies it as an equal groups problem. In this case, it's going to be per or per minute. But then we also have the number of groups, the number in each group, and then the total. And then they give you two of those, and you're looking for the third. Because they give us two numbers, we're looking for the third number. So let's see what we have here. We got 416 pages per minute. And then look at that, 74 minutes. That's the number of minutes. So if it's 416 pages per minute, then minute is going to be my group. So each minute we've got 416 pages. And so my 74 minutes is like 74 groups because it's 74 groups of that 416. So this is going to be my number of groups. And then my number in each group is going to be right before that rate. How many pages can I print per minute? And that's going to be the number in each group. So when we have the number in each group, we have the equal groups, and then we have the number of groups, we're looking for the total. How many pages can the printer print? And when we're looking for the total, that means we're going to multiply because equal groups deals with division and multiplication. When they give you the total, that means you're going to divide because you're looking for the number of groups or the number in each group. When they don't give you the total, you're multiplying because you need to multiply the number in each group by the number of groups. Now, we can also represent this with a strip diagram if we wanted to show this relationship. So let's draw this. And I'm just going to make my total bar down at the bottom. Sometimes it's attached, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's on top, sometimes it's on bottom. Doesn't really matter. How many groups are there? 74 groups. Well, I'm not going to draw 74 groups. That's a lot of groups. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw a few representations of my groups of 416 because that's what it is. Each group has got 416, and I'm not going to finish that. I'm just going to say 74 times. That's going to let me know that if I had the space and the time, I could draw out 74 groups of 416. That would be my equal groups. But we know we need to multiply, so let's go ahead and do that. So 6 times 4 is going to be 24. Carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4. Add that 2 back in is 6. And then 4 times 4 is 16. That's my first row. Let's make sure we add a 0 and get rid of that 2 so we don't confuse it when we multiply by the 7. So the 7 times 6 is going to be 42. Carry that 4. 7 times 1 is 7. Add that 4 is 11. Carry that 1. 7 times 4 is going to be 28. Add that 1 back in is 29. And then now we simply need to add this back up. We've got a 4, 8, 7, 10. Carry that 1. All right, 30,784 pages in 74 minutes. It probably ran out of toner. Answer is B.